Hello students, time for another gizmo. So this gizmo may be added to your class, but if not, we'll go under Find Gizmos. Start typing in the word orbit, and we're going to use this one, orbital motion, Kepler's laws. And we'll launch the gizmo. Let me just silence the sound. And as always, under the info, you have the student exploration sheet. The Google Doc may already be assigned to you. So for this gizmo, what you're going to do is you're going to be looking at planetary motion. We've got the sun's mass and a planet's mass. You can change the mass for both of these objects, small, medium, or large. You can also show a grid. You can show the trails, which I'll do in just a minute, and then you can also show the foci. The unit is AU, that's astronomical units. That's the distance between the Earth and the Sun. You can also choose to show all the vectors. So for this one here, if we just play it, you can see we've got our velocity vectors, and we've got our acceleration vector, and the planet is moving around in its orbital path. If we do and show the trails, this one is kind of nice because it shows the orbital path and it keeps it painted on the screen. You could also look to see what area will be swept out in a certain amount of days. So in this case here, it's 100 days, but you have the option on this slider to go much more than that. Let me reset. The other thing that you can do is you can go to the table, and as this is moving around, you can record the data. So this is for the conditions that we have set up. If we go back to the controls, we'll reset. You can let's make the planet smaller, and we'll make the sun larger. We can zoom out as well, so you can see it all in the same frame. And if we go to the table, we can record this data, and you can see that it's different. You also have an option for graphs. Let's just pause that. So this would be a graph of period versus acceleration, but you have some other choices as well. You can square or cube both of these terms, as well as the acceleration. So the gist of this gizmo is you're just setting up some different parameters for the sun's mass and the planet's mass, and you're looking to see how that would affect the orbital motion. And that's it. Give it a try, and I will see you in class.